Hey everyone, did you know Grok AI has some hidden features that can really boost your productivity? Today I'll show you the coolest features you should know about in 2026. First up, advanced prompt templates. Grok AI lets you save and reuse prompts for different tasks like generating scripts, summaries, or research queries. This saves a lot of time. Next, the follow-up suggestion feature. After you get an answer, Grok AI can suggest related questions to dig deeper or clarify your topic. This is super helpful for learning and research. Grok AI can provide multi-step explanations. If you're solving problems or learning complex topics, ask for step-by-step guidance, and it breaks it down clearly. You can also use comparison mode. For instance, compare the top 5 AI tools for content creation. This generates clear side-by-side comparisons automatically. Don't forget export options. You can save answers as text, PDFs, or copy them directly to your notes. This keeps all your content organized in one place. Finally, custom instructions. Grok AI allows you to give it your preferences like writing style or tone. This makes AI responses more aligned with your personal workflow. And that's it. Using these hidden features, you can get smarter, faster results with Grok AI. Hope this helps you explore more efficiently and, yeah, have fun discovering. Hey everyone.